Do you have a pile of C-clamps cluttering up your workstation? For years I had this Frankenstein storage system. It worked fine, but it's time to upgrade to something smarter, sleeker, and laser cut. My name is Steve and this is Wilmer Woodworks, where I like to do woodworking, laser tutorials, unboxings, and everything in between. In this video I'll walk you through how I redesigned my C-clamp storage for my slat wall system using Lightburn. If you're new to laser designs or you just want to organize your shop, you'll get a solid takeaway from this video. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I've had some C-clamp storage in my shop for quite some time. I got a lot of these C-clamps from my grandfather. I'll put a video here of where I was able to sand these down, wire brush them, and repaint them so they came back to new. And I made these little hangers a while ago and they worked out well. It's just out of scrap I had in my shop. I think at that time I used either my bandsaw or my jigsaw and some dowels that I had. But I have the laser now and I want everything to look uniform and look a little bit better because I made one out of MDF, I had one out of pine and MDF and some dowels. But I figured I could make a nice laser design and I wanted to practice with making storage for my slat wall because I want to clean everything up. So it's a great way to organize your shop, and with one sheet of plywood, 1/8 inch, I was able to make this great holder. And now I had to do a few redesigns. If you were here, I'm going to start doing live streams on my channel. I'm thinking maybe Wednesdays around 7 to 8:30, 7 to 9. And I'll do a little Q&A and hopefully I'll be able to put together projects like this. But this is the full tutorial of how exactly I came about with the design, and from the live streams, how I redesigned it. So now we have the finished version 3. So I don't know if it's just me, but every time I do a design, if it's 3D printing or if it's lasers, it seems like the third iteration is usually my best. I don't know, is that just me or does that happen to you too? So the first design I had was just this, the two sides, the backer, and one slat in the front. And this held it's actually right here. This held the units, but with the heavier C-clamps, it started to bow and flex. It is only 1/8 inch.